Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to reset Microsoft Edge to its default settings. If your browser has been running slowly, acting strange, or just not working the way it used to, this quick reset can make a big difference. Let's get started. Once Microsoft Edge is open, click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down list, select Settings. This is where all your browser controls live. Inside the Settings menu, look at the sidebar on the left. Scroll down until you find the option called Reset Settings. Click on it to open the Reset menu. Now, click the button that says Restore Settings to their default values. A small confirmation box will appear asking if you're sure. Click Reset to confirm. For an even cleaner reset, you can also clear your browsing data. To do this, go back to the main Settings menu and select Privacy, Search, and Services. Then, scroll down to the section called Clear Browsing Data and click Choose What to Clear. When the window appears, set the time range to all time to remove everything. You can select items like browsing history, cookies, and cached files. Once you've made your selections, click Clear Now. It might take a few seconds to finish, and that's it. Your Microsoft Edge is now completely reset and running like new. This is a simple fix that can solve most browser issues. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Happy browsing!